Ang pinakamurang house and lot package in an estate Ayala land development as low as 9,000 per month. Today, we're taking you on a tour of one of our most exclusive homes. I welcome you to Amaya Series Nuvali. Hello guys, good day. This is me again, Steve Singson, your property expert and one of the sales managers from Avida Amaya Core RBG. I am currently here at Amaya Series Nuvali. This is actually my first time na mag-discuss ng Amaya project kasi usually sa mga previous videos ko, ang mga pini-feature ko po are all Avida subdivisions, landed siya, condos, and house and lot package. And ngayon po, i-discuss ko po sa inyo ang ating first and last townhouse in Nuvali, which is Amaya Series Nuvali. When we say townhouse kasi the first things that come to our mind na sobrang dikit-dikit siya, congested, walang open space. But ibahin niyo po itong si Amaya Series Nuvali, kasi kagandahan dito, you can still feel the Ayala land quality of living. As you can see, napakarami pa ding open spaces, generous pa rin kami when it comes to amenities. But of course, kung very limited lang po yung budget natin and gusto natin makasecure ng property in Nuvali, this property might be the best fit for you. Amaya Series Nuvali is only 12.2 hectares in size. Sobrang liit lang po niya, parang Cruzella Nuvali lang din po. And dito, it has right-sized living spaces complemented with vibrant landscapes and diverse amenities. It was launched October 2020. Yung Sector 1 natin, sobrang bilis niya po naubos, around 46 months lang po. And sa Sector 2, may konting-konting available na lang po tayo. And kung may available man, around 6 to 8 months na lang po yung payment term po natin. And good news to all our investors, now we just launched our last sector in Amaya Series Nuvali, which is the Sector 3 na pinakamalapit po sa ating entrance. Amaya Series Nuvali is equipped with diverse amenities situated within living spaces that has vibrant landscapes to promote physical and social activity in the neighborhood. The whole amenity area is connected with concrete pathwalks for everyone's easy access. Here we have village pavilion, swimming pool, basketball court, landscape area, jogging path, and parking spaces for guests and visitors. Behind me is the model unit for Series 65. When we say Series 65, the floor area of the property is 65 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms with 2 toilet and bath and 2 stories na po siya. Ang kagandahan dito, kapag end unit, the minimum cut of the lot is 85 square meters and kapag inner naman po, the minimum cut is 65 square meters. Same with our subdivisions, ang kagandahan dito, once you step out of your property, hindi agad gutter or kalsada yung sasalubong sa atin. As you can see, we still have walk path here and mini planting strip before pa yung pinaka-gutter natin. So it promotes open spaces talaga, breathable walking spaces. Nakagandahan pag dito ka nakatira, hindi mo talaga feel na para ka lang nasa isang townhouse. Pag naka-end unit ka naman, ang kagandahan dito, of course, meron kang konting extra space ng lot mo dito sa isang side. So parang nag-give siya ng idea na nasa corner lot ka pa din. So dito po, pwede ka maglagay ng fence. Ang fence po natin is 1 meter yung solid fence and another 1 meter for the glass or grills para at least yung mga roving security, kita pa din po yung loob ng bahay natin. And then po dito, pwede ka mag-fence sa buong property line mo para kung for example, magpe-pets ka, meron kang mga kids, safe pa din sila sa loob ng property mo. And for us to explore more the beauty of this model house, tara, pasok po tayo sa ating bare unit ng Series 65. Before pala ako pumasok, actually, sabi ng office natin, pwede mo daw itong ipa-digital lock. So, ganun na kaganda yung mga pwede mong gawin sa ating bahay. Welcome to your future home. As you can see, yung concept pa din natin is open layout pa din. Ibig sabihin, walang mga partitions yung bahay. Kaya kahit enough lang yung space natin, para pa rin po siyang maluwag. As you can see, we have a lot of windows here. Yan po. Nakagandahan, it promotes the free access of natural light and the proper ventilation. And on our left side, as we go inside our door, we have here the spacious toilet and bath. And sa baba naman po ng ating stairs, nandito po ang ating circuit breaker. And dito po, pwede mo siyang gawing parang study area or a part of your living area. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng mga shelves. Madami ka pong pwedeng gawin dito po sa ating property. Kaya naman po natin, since open layout siya, ito yung perfect na paglagyan po ng ating dining area at ng ating living area. And since this is an end unit po, no, meron pa tayong access door sa ating likod. So for example, nagpark ka sa iyong carport, pwede ka nang dumiretso dito, hindi mo na kailangan pang pumasok sa main door para po maabala pa yung ating mga bisita. So dito, meron kang extra door dito, and you still have extra space here na pwede kang maglagay ng dirty kitchen, ng laundry area. So marami ka pong pwedeng gawin dito sa ating property. And ito naman po yung ating kitchen. As you can see, basic lang po siya. We have here the lower cabinet. But upon completion, pwede ka pong maglagay ng ating overhead cabinet para mas ma-maximize po natin yung mga storage and spaces po natin. Yun po, that's for the first floor. As you can see, everything is complete na, complete fixtures, gamit na lang po yung kulang. Livable na po talaga, ikaw na lang yung kailangan sa bahay na ito. Let's go upstairs, tignan naman po natin ang ating second floor. Dito po, no, since malawak po yung stairs natin, and sa part na to, medyo naka-high ceiling pa siya ng konti, pwede ka bang maglagay ng chandelier para nagbibigay siya ng illusion na yung bahay po natin is naka-high ceiling po siya. Sa ating pong end unit, no, ang ating CR po or toilet and bath is common. Dito po siya located. While sa inner unit naman po natin, later sa dress up, ipapakita ko po sa inyo, ang ating pong toilet and bath naman po doon ay nasa master's bedroom. This is our first bedroom. As you can see, a right size pa din po siya. No? Kapag enough size pa din po siya na if you want it to be maximized, pwede kang maglagay ng bunk bed kung madami po kayong nakatira sa bahay na ito. Ito naman po yung ating second bedroom. The only difference po, no, sa ating unang bedroom, doon po, since corner siya, meron siyang dalawang windows. Unlike this one, isa lang po yung window sa ating bedroom 2. And ito naman po yung ating third bedroom. Tara, pasok po tayo. Yan. Dito naman po, no, kagandahan sa kanya, spacious din po siya. And dito po, meron kang konting space na provision for possible, pwede ka maglagay ng furniture or yung walk-in closet natin since medyo naka-indent po yung wall natin dito. Now, let's explore naman po, no, yung ating dress-up unit para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano po i-design yung unit nyo pag turnover na po siya. Tara po. By the way, no, with all our inventories po, there is an allocated space for the tree, parang ito po siya, no? So, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng isang tree na non-fruit bearing po, no? Para in effect, pag na-turnover po lahat ng mga units po natin, magiging greener po yung buong communities po ng Amaya Series New Valley. Dito naman po, no, naglagay siya ng planting box para mas maganda yung pagpasok ng bahay natin. And sa pinaka-carport niya po, naglagay siya ng tiles para mas madali po and less maintenance po yung ating carport. Wow, ang ganda! It feels like you're not in a townhouse property. As you can see, talagang sobrang maayos yung space planning niya. That's the importance ng pag-hire po ng interior designer. Para kumbaga kahit enough lang yung space natin, but if right size lang po yung mga furnitures na gagamitin, maluwag pa din po yung ating unit. So as you can see here, meron po tayong sofa na ito po yung naging living area niya po. So dito po sa baba ng stairs, naglagay lang po siya ng mga storage po, at naglagay siya ng TV rack para naman po sa ating living area. And since po na open layout siya, no, dito po pwede kang maglagay ng iyong dining area na pwede siya hanggang 6-seater po. So dito po, naglagay naman siya ng kanyang refrigerator. And sa kitchen po, naglagay siya ng kanyang overhead cabinet for more storage po. And kapag inner unit po, no, instead na yung back door natin may access sa ating carport, dito po, no, meron din tayong access sa ating likod, but this time, medyo maliit lang siya. Pero pwede mo siyang gawing parang dirty kitchen, laundry area, and kung mahilig ka sa pagka-plant po, dito pwede ka maglagay ng parang hanging garden sa ating likod ng ating bahay. And by the way po, no, all of these furnitures are IKEA furnished. Nakagandahan na bali-balita po, magkakaroon daw ng IKEA very near SM Neo Verde. Na of course, in the future, pagka-turn over si Amaya Series New Valley, dito na po tayo bibili ng mga furnitures. Before we go upstairs, ito naman po yung ating toilet and bath sa ating first floor. As you can see, maluwag pa rin po siya. Dito po pwede kang maglagay ng partition, na glass partition, para at least yung side na to, napapanatili po siyang tuyo. So dito po, complete fixtures na po siya. Counting improvements na lang po yung ginawa po dito. Let's go upstairs naman po, no, para maipakita ko po sa inyo kung ano yung ginawang finishing sa ating mga bedrooms. Tara po! So dito po, as you can see, yung stairs naman po natin is maluwag naman siya, no? And yung pinaka-handle po natin, pwede mo siyang palitan ng glass para at least mas cozy po yung feel pag nandito ka na po kay Amaya Series Nuvali. Tara po, i-check natin yung ating bedroom 1. Dito po, no, naglagay sila ng kanilang single bed, and dito po naglagay sila ng cabinet for extra storage. And ang ginawa po dito, since enough size lang po yung ating unit, no, sa pinaka-cabinet, parang naglagay sila ng mirror effect para mas lumuwag po yung ating unit po. I-check naman natin ang ating bedroom 2. Ito po yung ating bedroom 2, no. As you can see, spacious pa rin siya. And I like the colors na ginamit sa kanya, no, kasi it gives us the feel na parang maluwag lang po yung ating bahay. Ito naman po yung ating master's bedroom. As you can see dito, mas spacious siya compared to the bedroom 1 and 2. And dito po, meron siyang cabinet dito. Pwede kang maglagay ng parang working space, especially, no, kapag naka-work from home ka or may mga kids tayo na nag-aaral. And then po dito, ang kaibahan niya lang sa end unit, yung ating toilet and bath po is located sa ating loob ng master's bedroom. So, ito po siya. And as you can see, same lang din naman siya ng size sa baba, no? But of course, if prefer mo na may sariling CR si master's bedroom, the inner unit would be the best fit for you. Currently, Sector 3 is now open for letter of intent or like LOI. So if you're interested na mag-invest dito, no, ang kailangan lang po natin is just the reservation fee. Hahanapan po natin kayo ng pinaka-best location for you. And ang promo po natin, no, that we can pay 15% up to 36 months. For the sample computation po, no, yung ating option 1, 15% payable in 36 months. So maglalabas lang po tayo ng 30,000 for the reservation fee. And after po nun, mag-monthly ka ng 27,000 only in 36 months and 85% bank financing. And when it comes to bank financing po, no, I am also a home loan broker. So kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, nasa Pilipinas ka, I can facilitate with bank financing. Pwede ko po kayong assist po pag nag-loan na po tayo sa ating property. And for the option 2 naman po, ito yung may spot down payment natin. So 30,000 reservation, 10% spot down, which is almost 600,000. After po nun, mag-monthly ka lang ng 5% in 36 months. That is only 9,000 every month. And yung 85% naman po is for the bank financing as well. The good thing about Amaya Series Nuvali, pag may property ka dito, you're not just buying a piece of townhouse, but you're buying the entire Nuvali estate. You're also buying the convenience, the security, the safety, yung mga schools na ginagawa. We have Xavier School, Miriam College, and Everest Academy. We also have the very near na commercial area, which is the Central Block. Ang kagandahan kay Central Block, no, patapos na po yung ating Mart na ang target completion niya po this December. And magkakaroon po tayo ng access via Evo Living Parkway going to the future SM Neo Verde. So ito po, pinicture ko po ito sa mga all videos ko sa YouTube. And the most exciting part, of course, is the price. Imagine, in just 6.5 million, you already have a place, a house and lot package in Nuvali. Kung bibili po tayo ngayon ng mga ganun price, baka lupa pa lang yun. And of course, you still need to think about the house na ipapatayo mo. Magpapakonstruct ka pa, maghahanap ka pa ng contractor, mag-loan pa tayo for the house construction. But this time, around 6.5 million, meron ka ng ready house in Nuvali. If you're interested to invest in with our premium townhouse in Nuvali, as low as 9,000 per month after 10% spot full down payment, you can send a message to my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. That is +63 961 462 2138. My Facebook page is The Property Expert, Ayala Land by Carlos Steve Singson. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert in Nuvali.